Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Farmsteady Fermented hot sauce kit. After watching Farmsteady's YouTube channel for quite some time, I decided to purchase a kit on their online shop. I will leave links to their website and YouTube channel in the description. I really love the attention to detail that has gone into the packaging. On the right side of the box is the following text. For lovers of all things handmade, for devotees of great food made simply, for fans of getting their hands dirty, for the curious, for would-be know-it-alls and practicing scientists, for chefs, for followers of recipes and creators of new ones, for those who wing it, for keepers of window boxes and curators of raised beds, for weekend believers, for rooftop, urban and backyard farmers. For those taking their crush on farming to the next level, there's Farmsteady. Turning the box around, we have a graphic of the kit with peppers inside and the following text. The best hot sauces are fermented, packed with probiotics. Once you start making your own, you won't go back to store-bought. Delightfully refreshing, deeply flavourful and totally customisable. You control just how spicy your homemade hot sauce can be. There is also notation here, ready in 1 week. Makes 2 quarts, which is just under 2 litres in Imperial Australian. And we also have the kit contents, what it includes, and on the bottom I really like this, needed but not included hot peppers. That's a really nice touch. On the bottom of the box it says the product is made in America. I really love that. As I turn over to the other side of the box, it says for all the urban, backyard and rooftop farmers. It also has some coordinates, 40.6928 degrees north and 73.9903 degrees west. I decided to go onto Google Maps and search for the coordinates, which revealed Brooklyn, New York, which I'm guessing is where Farmsteady is based. That's a nice touch, very cool, and I haven't even opened the box yet. Let's now open the box and check out what's inside. Once again, great job on the box Farmsteady. It's very funky. Opening the box, the first thing we have is the fermentation weight. This has a nice depth and weight to it, and I like the hole, which makes it easy to put in and remove from the jar. Next up is the main component of the kit where all the magic happens, the fermenting jar. This video doesn't do it justice. It is a big vessel and looks like it can pack a lot of peppers. For convenience, there is an existing grommet fixed to the plastic lid, which I like. Let's now open the jar, which has some more goodies inside. We have a bag of kosher salt, which looks to be around 3 tablespoons, and we also have a 3-piece airlock. Also provided in the box are some flyers. There is a fermented chili garlic hot sauce recipe card, which also appears as a video recipe on Farmsteady's YouTube channel. I highly recommend watching it. This flyer also includes full ingredients and instructions for the chili garlic hot sauce recipe, and also includes a link to the Farmsteady newsletter. There's also a colourful fermented hot sauce instruction guide, which will help you in starting your very own fermentation. This also has a link to full instructions and contact details if you have any questions. Finally, a promotional flyer is included with links to their website, YouTube channel and contact details. In conclusion, I think this is a fantastic kit. I really can't fault it. Sure, it's easy to make your own kit, but all the hard work is done for you here. It's easy to clean, durable, and most importantly, it is of the highest quality. I strongly suggest this for anyone who loves making their own hot sauce or other fermented goodies. That's all for the review. Now we're going to put the Farmsteady Fermented hot sauce kit to the test. I'm going to be making a hot sauce using Sugar Rush peach peppers, fresh from my garden. Don't let the name fool you. They may have a peachy appearance and smell fruity, but they sure are spicy. I'm also going to add some firm, almost ripe organic peaches from my tree that I am picking here. We have a decent amount of peppers and peaches, so let's get back in the kitchen to start fermenting. This hot sauce will be fermented using a 3.5% brine solution. I will also be adding a small onion and a few small sweet yellow banana peppers, but no other flavourings, as I want the peppers and peaches to stand out and be the stars of the show for this hot sauce. I removed the stems from the peppers, cut them into large pieces, and then peel and slice my peaches. If the stone from the peach doesn't come off freely, this is known as a clingstone, which is what my peaches are. I find it easier to slice the peach in half vertically with the peel on. This makes it easier to twist it in half without it being slippery if you peeled it first. We are ready to place all the ingredients into the jar. All the equipment I use is of course thoroughly washed, cleaned and sanitized. There is no specific order I put ingredients in the jar when doing this. I just make sure the smaller ingredients are placed towards the bottom and the larger ones towards the top so that nothing goes above the brine. I use a 3.5% salt brine for all my fermentations. It was at this point my camera suddenly stopped recording. I had to top up with a little more brine because the ingredients were just below the shoulder of the jar. I then added the fermentation weight, closed the lid tightly, secured the airlock and filled it with a small amount of a diluted Star San sanitizing solution. And we are now done. This is going into my fermenting cupboard for 2 weeks. I will update you in a future episode when it's ready to bottle. That's all for this video. In the meantime, please check out Farmsteady's YouTube channel, which is packed with plenty of fermentation videos, website with online store, and their social media sites. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you same chilli time, same chilli channel.